Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Today we have a special treat for all Apple fans out there, the MacBook Air M2. And today we are going to review MacBook Air M2 15-inch 2023 model. As you know, Apple MacBook Air lineup has always been known for its sleek design, portability and performance. But now with the powerful M2 chip, this new 15-inch model takes it to the whole new level. So let's dive in and see what is in this laptop. Alright guys, so let's talk about the heart of the MacBook Air M2, the revolutionary M2 chip. This custom designed processor is a powerful, offering blazing fast speed and incredible energy efficiency. It is designed to handle anything at it. From everyday tasks to resource intensive application, it works absolutely stunning. You can get exceptional results. But a powerful chip is only as good as display it drives, as the MacBook Air M2 certainly doesn't disappoint. The 15-inch Retina display with True Tone technology is simply stunning. The colors are vibrant and everything looks crisp and clear. Alright guys, so let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects, battery life. Apple has worked its magic once again, optimizing powerful consumption to provide exceptional battery life. With the MacBook Air M2, you can work, create and play for hours on end without worrying about running out of battery. Portability has always been a hallmark of the MacBook Air series, as the M2 15-inch model is no exception. It's incredibly thin and lightweight, make it easy to carry with wherever you go. This machine is perfect for professionals and students. Alright guys, let's don't forget about the new macOS features and functionalities tailored to complement the M2 chip power. The MacBook Air M2 takes advantage of latest macOS updates, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience for all your computing needs. For all the creatives out there, the MacBook Air M2 shines in content creation. Whether you are a video editor, graphic designer or 3D artist, this laptop can handle demanding tasks with ease, enabling you to bring your ideas to life. Now let's talk about the connectivity. The MacBook Air M2 is equipped with a variety of ports, including Thunderbolt, USB Type-C, and a headphone jack, offering seamless connectivity with all your peripherals. To sum it all up, the MacBook Air M2 15-inch is powerful, portable and versatile machine. With the groundbreaking M2 chip, its macOS updates, it's designed to meet the demand of today's techie-savvy users. That's it guys for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews, product updates and information content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.